Have you ever been to the nursery and noticed how beautiful the plants are? I mean, we're talking the green of greens. We're talking flowers that are so vibrant and so big that really they're busting outside of the containers. We buy them, bring them home, and what happens? They don't start looking very well. And that's because the pros do something very particular, and that is they use liquid plant food to feed their plants every time that they water. All right, we're not pros, but we can pretend we are. And the way we do that is by using that same type of technology that they do, but only for a homeowner. So here we have a 2-gallon Chapin 4720. There's the 4710, which is a 1 gallon, and it's a fertilizer injector system. This is so cool. All you have to do is put your material inside here. You have this window right here so you can see what's going inside. There's a siphon that comes out through here when you turn your hose on. And the best part of it is, all you have to do is to twist this dial right here to regulate how much fertilizer goes through your lines. It's just that simple.